G'day, welcome back. So back here again with the Santa Fe, this time rear sway bar links. So I've already done one side, we'll show you that one here. And you see the top end, two ends, top and the bottom. Top end's pretty solid, bottom end floppy as a tiger. You also see that the boot's pretty well munched up and there's lots of impact on that exposed part of the sway bar link. I'll show you it on the car shortly. But yeah, that end's done for. I've also swapped out the rear shocks recently. You also see which this sits right next to the sway bar link. You see how kind of no longer round this bottom bit is. So yeah, the shock. Again, we'll show you shortly. This part of the shock is the lowest part of the car. It takes all of the impacts from stones on gravel roads and light off-roading and whatever else. So yeah, Santa Fe's not really up for off-road use. But yeah, I'll show you the parts on the car, we'll go and do the other side and go from there. So for replacements, I've got a Moog part. So Moog sponsored the NASCAR, so we've got NASCAR parts for our Santa Fe. So this is a replacement. It's one of the Problem Solver I, so it comes with Zerk fittings, grease fittings, so they're greasable, which means they should last a bit longer. And in fact the boots are a lot less exposed as well, so hopefully that means less prone to this impact damage that this one's suffered from. Not much to take them off, so it's easy to show you here. I can find a bit. So behind the nut there's the round bit, which also takes a 17mm wrench. Obviously when you're trying to undo these they'll spin. So you can hold it still with a wrench and buzz it off with a 17mm impact ratchet, breaker bar, whatever. Too easy. Right, so you can see this bottom shock mount, which sits below the level of the brake disc, so it's gone away at the bottom of the car, so it's going to get munted. Bring you forward, you can also see this boot here, this one's torn up as well. So yeah, so there's the bottom nut. The top nut is at the top there. Simple. Also see just how chewed up these rims have got just from driving down so many gravel roads. Plenty of gravel rash on the inside there. These were repainted before we bought the car, so, or when we bought the car. So the outside's not too bad. But yeah, the inside's certainly taken a beating from nearly 300,000 kilometres of driving down gravel roads quite often. Daily, in fact. one end. this out. So look at this bottom end again, pretty munted. Top end still pretty good. So yeah, you get dirt and crud in there, which makes it kind of dry out, rust, fall to pieces. So yeah, glad I'm changing these. Well, here's the new one. Feed it on in. Zerk fittings go to the front of the car according to the instructions, so done that. New nuts. No idea what the tightening torque is, but we'll just go for tight. Yeah, yep, that's tight. Right, then just a hint of grease, that's what the instructions say. So there we are. This one's just as buggered as the other one, big gash on that side. So there we are, pretty easy thing to replace, but definitely be careful going off-road in these. We don't go off-road, we just drive down dirt roads and ski fields and that kind of stuff, but not really designed to do that. So keep it in the mall car park, you'll be sweet. But otherwise, yeah, enjoy your Santa Fe. Cheers.